If you have a back pain or stiff back, follow me. You're going to put your wrist on your lower back and you're going to start by doing small circles. You can do that for a few minutes to warm up the area, and gradually you're going to increase the circles. You're going to breathe in and you pull up. You're actually stretching the muscles. Don't press too much. Adapt to your pain. Breathe fully. Breathe in to stretch. Breathe out. Bend your knees slightly to let go. Breathe in. Breathe out. We're going to increase this movement by rising our heels if that feels right. Breathe in fully. Breathe out to release. Bend your knees slightly. Breathe in. We are stretching. We are stretching the muscles, but in movements. When we are in pain, we need to stretch, but in movements. Now, every morning after your bath or out of the bed, you're going to do some small hip movements. When we are in pain, we are in fear of moving. Remember to breathe. Your body is in fear state. You become in fear state and you become stressed. But there is no danger. You're not going to hurt yourself. You just need to breathe. Be in your body. Try it. Listen to your body. Relax. You are safe. You can relax. Move the other way. Adapt the circles to your body. You may start by small circles, and that is enough. And day by day you can increase. But remember to breathe. Stretching in movements is much better than stretching on the mat. After these hip movements, we're going to start by shaking a bit. In Qigong, we do a lot of shaking. It allows the body to let go, adapt this movement. Feel your feet on the ground. Bend your knees. Sit down. Sit and rise. Let go of the shoulders. Breathe deeply. Let go. These movements can be smaller than that, more gentle. Adapt it. If you are okay, you can release one side. We need to learn to move again, but safely. And when the body is in movements, it has less fears than when we are stretching in static movements, especially when we are breathing deeply. Come back to the middle. Flex your foot and rise up. Breathe in fully and breathe out. Arms on the back. Breathe in. We are making small stretch. Feel your foot on the floor. Adapt this movement to you. Just looking for a flow. It's a bit like a dance with breathing. So we are stretching gently. Adapt the movements to you. You might choose to do only this and that. You're learning to move again. You're learning for you to trust your body again. Other hand. Never force. We are quite impatient when we are in pain as well. Impatient that the pain goes, and we become impatient and have a tendency to force too much. I invite you to do a very simple exercise, but we are doing a lot of stretching. We're going to rise the hands, the arms. We are very floppy, and breathe out. Bend your knees slightly. Aim for your knees to be straight. Check you don't have one knee turning inwards. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe out to release. Breathe in. Breathe out. Actually, you can check your knee now to see if you've been using the wrong muscles in your body, which is increasing the pain as you have your feet hip-width distance, and if you are naturally, gently bend your knee, as your knee in front of your toes, or you can see that one is slightly getting in. Because when we are in pain, the wrong muscle starts to work. So by doing some small, gentle, repetitive movements and gradually invite the body to a realignment, the right muscles start to work. Now we're going to do a shibashi movement, which is the flying bird. Rise and rise your heels and breathe out to release. You can go on your heels or you can stay straight. Breathe fully. It's a very simple movement, but when slow, it's engaging the muscles more. It's also great to work on the balance, because when we work on our balance, we're intent to look for the right muscles at the right place. Talking about balance, we're going to rise one hand, one leg. Breathe fully, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. If it's too difficult, just rise your heel. Be gentle. The balance is never the same. Some days great, some days bad. But what's important is to keep moving. So